Ragnhildur Sigurðardóttir and I live on the south side of Snæfellsnes. We have a sheep farm, me and my family, but I work as a manager for the new regional park here at Snæfellsnes. The regional park was founded in April last year, 2014, and I came to work in September. So the regional park is about cooperation between the municipalities in Snæfellsnes, the 5 of them, and also the owners of small fishing boats in the area, the farmers in the area, and the trade union, and also the tourist union for all Snæfellsnes. So this is a unique opportunity to work together towards the walls, can we say, between the municipalities, and also that sectors work together in a new way. We have now been here on a workshop at Snæfellsnes and learned a lot from each other. It's good for us who are starting to see regional parks that have been running for years.
This morning we have been discussing the 3 first phases of establishing and running a regional park. And we've had very good presentations about how the people started one park in Norway, how they have produced the basis for deciding what to do in the parks, and also what type of strategies and plans are necessary to run a park.
There's a lot of exciting things that are happening in the work with regional parks and parks in general, and we talked about many of those issues here at the workshop in Iceland. We talked about how you develop a park from the bottom up, what phases are important in developing a park. There are many different things or issues to think about in each of these phases, and I think that's probably been the most rewarding thing about this workshop. It's the knowledge that we got to discuss each phase.
I'm a project manager at the Danish Outdoor Council, which is an umbrella organization for 90 organizations in Denmark. The Danish nature parks, it's a kind of certificates big nature areas can get in Denmark, and it is the municipalities who is going to seek this mark or this certificate. The strategy is mainly about we want the municipalities to think over and to regulate the use and the protection of the natures in a strategic way.
I'm from Valdres Natur- og Kulturpark, the first park in Norway, and I'm the chairman of Norske Parker. But I think the most important thing by being a park has been that the brand Valdres has grown and we are much stronger now, and we used a lot of money to make this brand stronger, and that means that all businesses in Valdres earn more money and have more visitors and all that kind.
We have been established as a park since 2 years back, so we're quite new, and we started to work with development with products and different tourist routes. And that is very important because those are the attraction factors, the reasons to go need to be there. The region should be attractive for people to come and visit and to maybe move there.
I am the director of Snæfellsnes World Heritage Park, and I have today talked a little bit about partnership. And that's very important for us, I think, because the partnership program and partnership agreements is the basis of the cooperation within the park. It points out the direction for the cooperation, and also it sets a kind of standard and points out the values for our work.
what we think is very important for people to understand about this ideology behind the regional park is the long-term thinking and how we can build on the good things that we have in nature and in culture and in the strength of people and the world of work that is here already, how we can make good things even better and how we can grab new opportunities and strengthen innovation both inside existing companies and in the traditional sectors, and also create new jobs that we don't even can think about now. We don't know how the jobs of the future, how they will look like.
I believe the opportunities in fisheries regarding the regional park here in Snæfellsnes are many. First of all, I think we have to work better together. We have what I should call the Icelandic way, not working together. It's something we have to grow out of, and I think we are a little bit doing that.
I work a lot with the regional park here in Snæfellsnes. We have several projects that we are joining hands in. It's very educational to be here with the Norske Parker today. There are a lot of things that are interesting. The product development for the food example is something that interests me a lot, and this is something that we will be working on here too, so we can work together, learn from them, and maybe they can learn from us too.
And this has been really useful for me. I've learned that it's really important to meet other park and to tell our experience.
I think it's very interesting to learn from other experiences, because everybody's doing something quite well, and you have your own problems and others do something else quite well. So when you meet, you get the best from all and also the problems from all, and then we can learn a lot from the others.
I'm from Okstinnan, Natur- og Kulturpark in the northern Norway, and I'm very happy to come here to learn to know the other parks in the Nordic countries. And I feel also that what you have, it inspires me for the work of my park. You have done some work that is in a high level that I can use in my work, and I can see also, I'm very happy to see that we have done things that are good and that we can continue to work on.
During this workshop, it has become even more clear to me than before how important it is to have a plan, to in the beginning define a vision and objectives that a park wants to work towards, and have a structure and priorities in the work of the park.
We are moving the idea and the practical work of regional parks forward by engaging in Nordic network building. We think it's a strength that we work on the Nordic level. It helps us in our own countries, even in our own regions, to develop our parks, to develop our regions, to protect our heritage, to make our heritage visible through interpretation, communication. And it's very valuable to learn from others on how they're doing this. And we will continue the Nordic network. This has been a clear outcome of this workshop in Iceland, is that people found the Nordic workshop valuable, and we will continue to work on our Nordic network, and we will meet again, and we're looking forward to that.